If you're looking for an easy to use and effective system to prevent narrow cracks and tarmac from worsening, then Coldfix joint and crack repair is just what you need. Coldfix is a no-fuss system. It's supplied in a 380ml cartridge and can be applied in minutes. Each Coldfix cartridge comes supplied with a mixing nozzle that automatically mixes and combines the two-part system during application without any measuring or weighing. Applying Coldfix could not be easier. Simply load the cartridge into a 380ml resin gun, unscrew the top cap, screw on the applicator nozzle, and you're ready to go. Simply use the resin gun to pump the mixed Coldfix into the crack. It will then seep down and form a strong seal and repair, preventing frost damage. You do not need heat to apply Coldfix. You can even apply it in damp conditions if required. Cleanup is as simple as removing the mixing nozzle and replacing the cartridge cap. We recommend that you purchase extra mixing nozzles with your Coldfix, as the two-part system hardens within the mixer after use. Coldfix can also be used as a more convenient alternative to hot melt when applying road studs in off-highway applications. Call Start Safety today on 01905 794 875 or visit startsafety.uk to make a purchase or find out more about our broad range of road repair products and safety equipment. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video about our road repair products like Coldfix, as well as videos about personal protective equipment and traffic safety products.